Freedom of assembly. Freedom of assembly is the right of people to come together peacefully to collectively express, promote, and defend their ideas, beliefs, and causes, including the right to protest, rally, and associate with one another. Protected by the U.S. First Amendment and international human rights law, this freedom allows for public participation in government and serves as a vital component of a democratic society. While the right is fundamental, the government can impose reasonable, content-neutral restrictions on the time, place, and manner of assemblies to maintain public order. What it encompasses. Peaceful gatherings. The right applies to protests, rallies, sit-ins, strikes, and meetings, both offline and online. Freedom of association. It includes the right to form groups and organizations to pursue common interests and defend those interests. Public participation. It provides a crucial avenue for citizens to communicate with their government and express collective concerns or support for issues. Legal basis. U.S. First Amendment explicitly guarantees the right of the people peaceably to assemble. International law, recognized as a human right under international law, such as Article 20 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Supreme Court rulings has affirmed this right applies to both federal and state governments and recognizes an associated right of association. Key limitations. Peaceful nature. The right protects peaceful assembly. Violent assemblies are not covered. Time, place, and manner restrictions. Governments can set reasonable rules on when, where, and how assemblies can occur, provided these rules are not based on the content of the message being expressed. Governmental action. The First Amendment's protection applies to governmental restrictions, not actions by private individuals or entities. Importance. Democracy. Freedom of assembly is essential for a self-governing society, allowing for open discourse and public engagement. Social progress. Historically, it has been used by various movements, from civil rights to labor, to advance their causes and challenge prevailing norms. Formal Fair Use Notice. This material is used in accordance with 17 U.S.C. Section 107, Fair Use, for nonprofit educational purposes, including teaching, scholarship, and research. The use is limited to the amount necessary to support the educational objective and does not infringe on the market value of the original work. If you are the copyright holder and believe that this use infringes your rights, please contact me and I will promptly address your concerns. AI-generated content notice. Please note that some of the information and materials provided were generated with the assistance of artificial intelligence, AI, tools. While every effort has been made to ensure accuracy, users should independently verify any critical information.